Greetings, everyone, giving thanks, peace and blessings, love and happiness. Well, it's that time of the year. Regardless of what you celebrate or how you celebrate, remember this: friends and family are important. And when you have the time to gather and share for a common cause that helps to uplift one another, it's always special. It's also a memory. For me, the memory of my grandmothers, one of which, Grandma Thelma, would be 99 today. Happy birthday, Grandma. Friends and family that bring about a spirit of synergy and energy that you carry on throughout the year. That's what's important. It's not just about a meal, sure, it's just about a football game, but that game of life and how we come together to play it. Peace and blessings.